Hello and welcome to week 110. I'm gonna make this quick. As you can see, it's already dark. I took a half day off work today because a friend of mine was in town and just spent the day with him. Actually, if you remember the podcast I did back in January, it was him. So he was in town for, I think, like media stuff, or I don't know what, or I dropped him off for something media. I don't know if that was the only reason he was in town. But yeah, so that's the only reason I at one point had makeup on, and I feel like I got a sunburn. Did I get a sunburn in December? I don't know. Anyway, so pretty good news. I'm basically lost the weight, the 0.4 pounds that I gained last week. So that means I'm down 0.4 pounds for the week, down 130.2 from my highest weight, and down 107.2 since my surgery. So I'm glad to be like in the 180s again. Hopefully I won't be popping back into the 190s. But I was thinking, because of that, you know what's weird is like once I hit Wonderland, with the exception of, like weighing at night or something with clothes on or whatever, I never went back to 200. Like I didn't have that, like that fluctuation back then, or, back to 200. It wasn't like I went to like 195 or something. I was like 199.8 or something like that. So I don't know. For some reason, I was just thinking about that the other day, that like I literally, fingers crossed, saw it for the last time. So I'm gonna keep it short, which I've already said. I've been doing all my holiday baking. So I consider to be down this week like a huge win. To be doing all my holiday baking, and not gaining. Part of it is because the thing that I made to send most people has 3 ingredients, 4 ingredients, and 2 of them are sugar. Powdered sugar and white sugar. So I know like they would make me sick. But they're so good. And even though every year I want to make something different, everybody always wants that. They're salted caramel bars. So it's like a layer of shortbread, a layer of salted caramel, and then like crumbled shortbread dough on top, and then salt. So it's simple, but like really good, and it ships really well, which is a plus. Because unlike cookies, like you don't have to worry about them breaking or anything. And then I did some white chocolate bark in the package, and that's white chocolate, pistachios, and cranberries. So it's like really simple. It obviously doesn't even count as baking, but it looks really pretty because it's, all Christmas colors. So that is all for me this week. All right. Bye.